go again. Welcome to Great White North. No snow when we went to bed. Solid 2 inches of wet heavy snow, and you can see it's still coming down. It's February 15th. Welcome to Michigan. I'm off to work. Alright, well, I just made it to work. It took me almost 45 minutes on the back roads. I can get to work faster on the expressway, but the way I look at it in winter like this, if there's an accident, you're stuck in the highway for who knows how long. So I take the back roads. If there's an accident that I can't help out with, I can find a way around. Surprisingly, I only saw one car in a ditch. I stopped to make sure they were alright. There's a couple of teenagers coming over a hill, coming down to a stop sign, just kind of locked up the brakes and slid off. I like to try to help people out. I carry all my recovery gear in the winter, but it's got to be a safe situation. Coming over the hill to a stop sign, when everybody's on their way to work, there was a lot of traffic, so I stopped, made sure they were okay. She said she had mom on the way. Given the situation where they were at, I'm afraid they're gonna have to call a recovery company. It's just not a safe spot for somebody like me, an individual, just to hook up and try to pull them out with all that traffic coming over the hill. So they were fine. Mom was on the way, so I had to just move on. So roads were pretty bad. It's not bad. I mean, I've driven all over Alaska, up and down the whole pipeline, up and down north to south of Alaska. I've driven all over northern Europe. I've driven Montana. I live in Michigan. Been all over UP in the bad weather. I've driven to some of the worst storms I can imagine, mostly in northern Alaska. So I've got a lot of experience in it. My Jeep is capable. Just because I'm in a Jeep 4-wheel drive, I don't think I can drive faster in it. It ain't about being able to drive faster. It's about being able to get through things that other people can't. So I slow down, be patient. That's the key. People are so impatient. I saw it today. Four-way stops, people piggybacking through four-way stops. Just impatience and idiots, to be honest. But if you just slow down and have a little patience, understand that not everybody's a good driver, not everybody's an experienced driver. The teenage girls, they were just young, they just inexperienced. So be patient, get there in one piece, and keep the road rage down. Have a good day.